Today we're going to be changing out the armrest on our 2007 Ford Mustang. As you can see, it's a common problem. A lot of these just come right up, and you can fix these, but in order to get them off, you have to do this, and we're going to show you right now. For this project, you're going to need a socket and a ratchet. The socket is 7/32 or 7/32, and a Phillips head screwdriver. There are 4 screws that you have to take out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll start that right now. All right, and then you just lift it up. And what we're gonna do is we bought a new one on eBay, and I'll show you how we're gonna replace this in a minute. So we just went on eBay and bought the top for it. It was $20 and it was free shipping. So you can do that. And instead of buying the whole unit, which is a little bit more expensive, we're gonna show you how to take this part off so you can put it on here and then reinstall. We're gonna take out all these screws, these 4 here, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. All of them have to come out, and we'll show you how to do that. I'm just gonna have to hold this so I can get this screw out. So it doesn't look like also your bracket. Okay, now this comes right out. Put that over there, put our new one in. Fits right in. Start with the bracket. You have some holes to line up here, so you just line up the holes, one there and one there. All right, now we're ready to reinstall it in our Mustang. So you have 2 tabs right here. You fit these back in there, just like that. There you go. Just thread that in. And that's how you change out your armrest cover for your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.